Today I'm going to share with you how to connect an external device to the IP series. To start, you will need two cables. You will need an HDMI as well as a USB A to B cable. You will plug those cables into the side of the panel. Once you have connected those to the side of the panel, you will take the other ends and connect it to your external device. Once you've connected your external device, you will need to switch your sources. To switch your sources, you will select the source button on the remote. From there, you will select the proper source. And now you can access the external device.